Ladies and gentlemen, what makes a trainer that is not engaging and a trainer that is engaging? The trainer that is not engaging is always limited to few knowledge transfer method. Example, the trainer only use PowerPoint and lecture. This will not be relevant anymore in the new normal because the audience will have problem staying with you in a long duration. The audience cannot be sitting in front of computer and just listen to you talk all the time. Therefore, it's tougher now to teach virtually compared to a classroom setting. So being a trainer right now virtually, you need to equip yourself with the new engagement tools, engagement skill, and you may want to use certain apps during your training, during your presentation. Now, what can you do? First, you need to learn a lot of tools like Zoom, how to use Zoom, how to use the breakout room, how to share videos, and how to share PowerPoint, how to allow the participants to share their PowerPoint with you or to share their answers with you. You need to learn how to run role plays. You can also do polling. You can also use apps like Mentimeter and Kahoot. These will actually engage your audience all the time. And if you are able to engage your audience, they will stay with you from 9 to 5 and they still feel alive. If you cannot use engaging skill and apps, you may have problem keeping them even for 2 hours. So ladies and gentlemen, the way people learn on virtual platform and in physical setting are completely different. Yeah, so if today you still want to be relevant in the training industry, you don't have a choice but to learn how to present yourself in the virtual platform. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Jackson Ng. Let us all learn and adapt in the new normal, adapt with the new technology, and be relevant using the virtual tools. See you in the next video.